inch bolts or metric bolts. First bolt, this is M24 times 2. I think it was pretty strong. I think we are going to pop this open with a bandsaw. I'm going to give an expert opinion and say that everything went to shit. Okay, and then we have regular M24 bolt. The thread size is 3 millimeters. Okay, surprisingly close. I think I'm going to pop also this one open. And the results are also pretty similar. Okay, and then time to make the homemade nut and a bolt. Here goes the nut. You have to first make a hole into steel bar and then cut the nut away and then just thread the hole. But turned out pretty nice. Then the bolt. Just first turn the rough shape of the bolt and then you're gonna use the machine feed to make the threads. So you have to have the same feed as is the pitch of the thread and you have to just cut the bolt away and then you have your homemade bolt. Okay, and here's our homemade nut. This is a nut, it's not like a nut shaped feed, it's a round nut. Round nuts are just okay. You don't have to be worried if your nuts are round. Walking strong. Oh! Oh! We have some nut smoke. Hey, I have the hardest nuts on YouTube. The nut didn't broke at all. My bolts are not the same standard. This is hot. Maybe like 30 degrees Celsius. Okay, there is actually the maximum force of 33 tons, so a couple hundred kilos more than with the M24 bolt. It seems that the most of the problems are nut caused, not the bolt. So 35 tons and something to beat on the fine threads competition. Okay, so the fine threads category goes to metric threads by a huge margin, so the game is 1-1, but I think the metric threads made more goals because they win with the larger